In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access to Google Analytics. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to your account with the right level of permissions while keeping sensitive data protected. First, open your Google Analytics account and sign in. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. You can confirm this using the drop-down at the top of the interface. Once you're in the right place, head down to the lower left corner and click the admin gear icon. This opens the settings area where all access and configuration controls live. In the admin screen, look for the account column on the left. Under Account, click Account Access Management. This is where you control who can see and do what at the account level. Keep in mind that account level access typically applies across all properties within that account, so choose it when you truly want broad access. At the top right of the Access Management page, click the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select Add User. You'll now see a field to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type the teammate's Google account email carefully and double-check for typos before moving on. It's best to use a work-managed email that the person uses regularly for analytics. Next, select the standard role that matches what this person needs. Viewer is ideal for read-only reporting. Analyst adds the ability to create and share explorations and custom reports. Editor can change most settings, like events and conversions. Administrator is the highest level, including the ability to manage users and account settings. A good rule is to grant the least privilege necessary for the person to do their job. Below the roles, you'll see data restrictions. These let you limit exposure to sensitive business metrics. If needed, enable restrictions to hide cost metrics, revenue metrics, or both. This is useful when you want someone to analyze trends without seeing financial details. Only apply restrictions when appropriate and document what you've restricted so your team understands any gaps in the data they see. Once you've reviewed the email, selected the role, and set any data restrictions, click Add to finalize. The person you invited will receive an email letting them know they've been granted access and they can sign in right away using their Google account. You can return to Account Access Management anytime to adjust roles, add more users, or remove access as your team changes. That's it. Quick, secure, and controlled access sharing in Google Analytics.